Alright people, we greet you now. Welcome now to this our channel. If na the first time when I dey waka jam this our channel, make una follow us, make una like our page, and make una help us dey share our videos. Una know say na ogbonge updated news, breaking news, correct tori na we dey carry come for una for here o. So if una never subscribe to our YouTube channel, make una rush go subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so that anytime we be like say we drop updates, una go dey notified. Anyway my people, make we enter the updates and the tori wey we carry come for una like this. Make una watch.
Yes, so my people, after the presidential election tribunal judgment yesterday, Vice President Shettima no comot too. He come address the media and then for come talk say he go by himself retire Atiku, then give am goat make he begin wear. He still hate tribunal well, say tribunal don give them justice wey they deserve unto say they carry legit case follow opposition. My people no be small thing though. This man get mark no be small. I go leave una make una watch this video, make una hear from Nigeria Vice President wetin him talk for this one so wey be say e choke like this no be small. Make una watch and make una no forget to like and share.
Daniel has come to judgment. Today is a great day for Nigeria. The Nigerian judiciary had proved itself to be the guardians for justice and fairness against the sirens of deception. It's a battle between the will of the people and the forces of misinformation and disinformation. But democracy has finally triumphed. Like the bird phoenix rises from the ashes, resolute and unyielding. And in this age of information, discernment is our greatest armor, and unity is our strongest force. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, in this battle for the survival of the nation, in this grand symphony of democracy, your voice, your vote is the note that cannot be silent. But even in this our moment of triumph, we are not going to be triumphalists. We will work for the unity of this nation. Democracy, as you all know, is not a destination but a journey. It tests us, it tests our resolve, our intent, our commitment to be the custodians of the will of the people. My principal, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, is eternally indebted to the Nigerian people and to the leadership of the party who have been here since 9 a.m. Our governors, our energetic chairman and national secretary of the party, members of the National Assembly, they have been here, ministers. So words cannot adequately convey our depth of gratitude to the Nigerian people. My principal will issue a formal statement, but we felt compelled to talk to you, having spent nearly 15 hours in these chambers. There is the dignity of every person that we need to honor and cherish. I want to thank you. The journey is just beginning. I want to call on Nigerians, let's unite. What binds us together supersedes whatever that divides us. Let's unite as a people and face our common challenges. As I have always said, the trajectory of global growth is facing Africa and Nigeria, the greatest black nation on earth, will make or mar that transition. We have had a very long day, but a very good day. My principal is extremely elated, and he asked me to convey his gratitude to our leaders and to the Nigerian people and to the Nigerian media who have been here all day long. The journey is just beginning. I wish you a wonderful night rest. I will allow our boss, the national chairman of the party is the boss of bosses. So I will allow you to interrogate him.
Do you still retire political terrorists to Dubai, as you had said during your campaign?
No, we have moved beyond the pace of politics. Now we are in the pace of governance. Yeah. Atiku Abubakar is an elder statesman that I hold in very high esteem. Anybody who knows the socio-cultural interactions between the Fulanis and the Kanuris in the north will know that I have the liberty to hold all insults at him and he will stoically bear. We are not going to retire him to Dubai or Morocco. I will retire him to Pombina. I will buy him goats, broilers and layers so that he can spend his days rearing goats and broilers. But he's an elder statesman that I owe this on a joking side. On a more serious note, he's an elder statesman. The nation needs him. Experience is not something that you can buy in the marketplace. We'll tap into his wealth of experience and exposure to catapult the nation to a higher pedestal. Politics is over. Governance is now in full steam. For all that I might have offended by my utterances, I'm sorry, but politics is a game of nerves, not of emotions. Politics, you have to throw jibes. Thank you very much.